Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jamela Lapade. I am 37 years old. I live in Barangay Santa Cruz, Bay, Laguna. I'm married. I have two kids. The eldest is 14 years old and the youngest is 8 years old. They have 7 siblings. I am the second of the siblings. I graduated in Masaya National High School. About my work experience, I worked as a housemaid to Mr. and Mrs. Magtibay for almost 4 years, year 2019 to 2023. They have 4 members in family, 2 adults, aged 30 and 33 years old, 2 children. The eldest is 4 years old and the youngest is 5 months old. I do household chores like washing the clothes, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and marketing, and tutoring the children. I take good care of babies like changing diaper, feed them, and bath them. I am honest, obedient, trustworthy, and hardworking. Again, my name is Jamela Lapade. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.